In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your mobile number on your Google Business profile. This simple yet essential step ensures your business information is correctly indexed and authenticated by Google, providing confidence to both you and your customers. Let's dive into the process. First, open your browser and navigate to business.google.com. This is your entry point into the world of Google Business Management. When you arrive on the page, look at the upper right corner and click on the Sign In button. Here, you'll be prompted to enter the Gmail account associated with your business. If this is your initial visit, don't worry, just follow the on-screen instructions to link your Gmail account. This step is crucial because Google needs to confirm the legitimacy of your connection to the business. Now, if you've previously signed in, you'll be seamlessly directed to your Google Business dashboard. For those who are accessing this dashboard for the first time, it's a centralized hub that allows you to manage every aspect of your business's presence on Google, from editing your profile to viewing analytics. Alternatively, if you're having trouble navigating directly, you can type your business name or simply My Business into Google's search bar. This method can sometimes be faster, especially if you're already logged into your account. Once you've executed the search, find your business's entry and click on View Profile to return to your dashboard. With your dashboard open, the next step is to look for a button that says Get Verified or a similar option. Clicking this will begin the verification process. Google's goal here is to ensure that your business details are securely linked to your authorized profile. You'll often see options like phone code or phone call for verification. Choose the method that suits you best. The choice mainly depends on convenience. Would you rather receive a code via text message or prefer a phone call? Once you receive your verification code, return to your business profile and enter this code diligently. This step is non-negotiable as it's the final key to aligning your business with Google's verification parameters. Provided there are no errors in your code entry, your business profile will be confirmed and verified by Google. This verification signifies that your mobile number is now officially tied to your business profile, solidifying your professional presence online. And that's it, you've successfully verified your mobile number on your Google Business profile. Now, potential clients and customers can trust the authenticity of the information they find through Google Search and Maps. Thanks for watching, and remember, keeping your business details up to date is essential for maintaining that pristine online presence.